Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll talk about do until loop. So what is do until loop in VBA? Do until loop is used to execute a block of code repeatedly until a certain condition is met or it becomes true. So the syntax of do until loop is do until condition and then the code inside it and then loop. So let's deep dive into the practical stuff, then only we will be able to understand it further. I have declared one integer type of variable. Here I write do until I greater than 5 and then loop closed. This is the scope, and then I write same code here, like displaying that in column A dot value equal to I and then I equal to I plus 1. So now if you look at here, in previous video we talked about do while loop. So do until loop is just opposite of do while loop, right? So in case of do while loop, it used to be like when the condition is true, then it will iterate, the loop will run, right? But if condition becomes false, so do loop will exit. But in case of do until, I mean the condition is false, then it will iterate in a loop. Loop will run unless until the condition is true. So let me check it in this one. Conditions value itself. In view, you can go to immediate window and alternatively you can press Ctrl Z. So now if I check condition, you can even paste it question mark and then so it will be false. So when it becomes true, so it will get out of the loop, right? So let me check. Okay, it is in value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and after 5, even you can check condition is still false. Now 5. So I equal to 6. 6 greater than 5. That means true. You can check it here. So that means condition becomes true and it will get out of the loop. Now it gets out of the loop. So now if you look at here, it will get out of the loop. Right? What if I put here 0? In the first instance, condition will be true. So it will not get into the loop. It will come out of the loop without displaying anything. Right? Because condition is being checked first. Let me show you one more example. Just like do while loop and do loop while, we have do loop until as well. So if I run this, I value will be displayed here. And since condition is being checked later on, so even though the condition is true, it will display the value of 1, right? In case of do loop until, it will do same thing, but it will check the condition later on. So in this case, loop must run at least once. So this is just like while loop, do while loop, but in a different way, just opposite of that. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful for you, so please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.